2022. So I would like to introduce you my two partner, which is Sheng Xiong and Go Zhong Li.
Yo lo je ulo to kong xiong no pu yon chia tàu ít tu lu nè ô cho bên giàu nè sai tí xe ngồi cho tu lúa cho tình đã biết siêu sinh kế xe lời pu yon lon trong biết sinh kế thiết cho tình cho biết sai ở okay to play the music lần
Black, baggy, with stitchery designs, white undershirt, and red sash. The female's outfit is a multicolored handmade dress with boutique design fabric of colorful patterns and handcuff top, complemented with a turban and black and white stripes, silver necklace, white pockets, and leg wraps.
We have Stephen Tao from Edmonton North High School and Lena Ching from Edmonton North High School. They're wearing Hmong Tai. Most of the cloths are handmade of black cloth with stitched baggy pants, white undershirt, and patterns. The woman wears a black shirt with circle stitchery designs throughout. The dress has designs of many patterns and has multicolor, handmade stitchery throughout the skirt. The hair is put into a simple bun and tied with striped belt. Majority of these Hmong lives in Chiang Mai.
Next couple we have is Sao Cheng from Upton West High School and Kia Wu from Upton West High School. They're wearing white moncles, amongst and club. Sao wears a black outfit with a white undershirt, male necklace, and finishes with a red sash. Kia wears a black skirt, white skirt, and red sash over it. The turban, black and white stripes, please the left.
Next, we have Tuo Lord from Edmonton West High School and Ju Zhong from Edmonton West High School. Tuo wears a plain black outfit with coin vest. This is the white Hmong, Loyang Hongdan, and with red sash and white undershirt. Ju wears a pair of pants to replace the white skirt with a unique hat with black and white stripes.
We have Hoi Ying from Rosemount Middle School and Yang Sheng from Upton West High School, wearing striped moncles from home side. Is wearing a black outfit with stitchery designs, cuff with stitched sash. Yang is wearing a black shirt with stripes in the sleeves. A turban, red and green sashes, and a belt with pure silver coins.
Jackson Jeong and Nancy Jeong from Everton East High School are wearing original Olufeng Mong Lao Liang Gong shade. Jackson is wearing black outfit with a coin vest, white undershirt, and red sash. Nancy is wearing a flowered black outfit with red and green sashes, turban with black cloth with lots of colorful pom-poms. 我的艺术轮到了来特少那个年呀。
We have Dawson Ying from Upton North High School, and Athena Tao from Upton East High School, wearing red and brown. Dawson is wearing a black outfit with white and a red sash. Athena wears a plain black outfit with red and green flower sashes. The hat signifies the differences.
Lu Ching from Appleton West High School and Thea Blue from Appleton North High School wears Hmong Chinese or Young Hong Shua. Lu wears an outfit of Hmong Chinese. As you can see, the outfit is very similar to the Vietnamese Hmong, mostly plain black. Thea wears a very special made fabric, decorated with lots of beads and shiny cloth with lots of designs and patterns. It is very heavy.
Jack Lee from Upton North High School and Leila Cheng from Upton North High School are wearing Laotian clothes. Jack is wearing a Laotian outfit. It is plain and simple with pattern and any color. Leila is wearing a skirt with a special wrap on the shoulder. This outfit is typical for special occasions such as weddings.
Ying-Soo Lee and Pamela Ying from Fox Valley Technical College and Appleton West High School are wearing Vietnamese Hmong clothes. Hmong Nha La. Ying-Soo wears a plain black outfit with a black and blue hat. Pam wears very nice looking outfit made of many patterns and designs with a black sash and a black and white striped hat.
The next few couples that are coming up here are wearing Mario clothes. Michael Hurd from Upton North High School, Kate Lee from Roosevelt Middle School. In the northern of fabrics and colors of choice, home costumes and styles have changed. The new styles are colorful as shown. They have no classification because the idea of the styles are based on the preference instead of a particular place of origin.
Brittany Liu from Roosevelt and Mai Mi Tao from Appleton East High School. Both are wearing a current style design with choice of color. They are mixed match with no specific group of the Hmong.
Cheng Zhang from Upton North High School and Ryder from Roosevelt Middle School are wearing modern clothes as well. Mostly now, they are stitchery or embroidery by machine and cross stitches and decorated beads, pom-poms, or silver coins. students, and you were very proud of your son and daughter also. So thank you so much. If would have been the parents' help, we wouldn't be possible. So thank you. Chị cũng sẽ thọ ở bên luôn nó thọ cho nó cho chữ cho nó cho chữ đây chữ rồi. Nhi lọ ba cho bây cho tu thầy bỏ ấy phía nó khi nó cho niệm thích gì em niệm nó bi có bắt đầu nó nói có nó cũng sợ có lò sổ sổ lúc sẽ thiên nó là ở bên lò